Hey guys, I'm a recruiter and my inbox is always flooding. I have applications coming in from my careers page, vendors, job boards, emails, and the most promising candidates get buried under this huge pile of resumes that I can't seem to segregate automatically.
Oh, worry not. We hear this a lot. But have you heard of Zoho Recruit? A talent acquisition software that helps you hire better by organizing your resumes into a talent pool that is intuitive, informative, and interactive.
Wow, but there are just so many candidates. How will I find the right fit for the right job? It could take me hours or days.
Easy there. Don't get overwhelmed. Zoho Recruit's built-in contextual filters help you zero in on the right talent just by scrolling. All the important details are right on the screen.
All this is really cool, but is there a way you can help me manage my talent pool? I have like 27 Stevens on my list.
No worries. Color tagging them helps you know which Steven is going to head the next architecture project and which Steven will be managing the marketing team. More the merrier, isn't it?
Hey, this is amazing! I wanted to check about assessments. Can I manage them from within the system?
Oh yes, of course. You can pre-screen candidates right at the application stage and follow up with several stages of assessments that your hiring process needs. That means no more red flags and no more candidates ghosting you.
Hold it right there. I have to send the marketing Steven an invite for a video interview. Oh, I know. I'll just WhatsApp him.
Done.
Can I also do this on MS Teams?
Yes, and on Google Meet too.
Hey, wait. Before sending offers, I need to get approval from my manager. Can we do that?
Not just for the offer approval. You can keep your hiring managers, clients, and other stakeholders involved in the whole hiring process.
Okay, great. Love it.
So where are the other Stevens?
They're all right here in the archive.
Hey guys, I'm still on a spreadsheet. Any leads?
Just get on Recruit.